Hello, I'm Bonnie Boswell. Last week we highlighted the problem of some children in greater Los Angeles being exposed to lead in their own homes. The primary source of this lead comes from peeling and chipping paint in slum housing. Nancy Ibrahim is the executive director of Esperanza Community Housing, a community group that's been working in South Los Angeles on this problem for nearly 20 years.
Last year, the County of Los Angeles recognized through dedicated dollars and study that housing is a fundamental social determinant of health. A lot of what fuels me in my work is half fury and half love.
So the notion of what's acceptable lead in the blood has changed over the years.
During the course of our presentations and education during that conference, we had several panel discussions. We were asserting the demand that the threshold for lead poisoning be lowered to 5 from the federal standard of 10. Shockingly, in Los Angeles, the standard was 20 micrograms. So at the end of that conference, we were very, very gratified to hear at the closing plenary the recommendation coming from this conference that the threshold for lead poisoning should be lowered to 5 micrograms per deciliter.
What has been the strength of the health promoters?
What our work has done in the meantime is to really raise a campaign for local clinics to do universal testing. That means that every child who comes into a community clinic will be tested up to the age of 6 years. Lead poisoning leaves devastation. If we work in a much more collaborative way, that's what I think we need to see happening.
For PBS SoCal, I'm Bonnie Boswell.